Now, the second part of the lecture is looking at how is income inequality measured. Yes, we are very concerned and we know that inequality do exist within countries and also between countries. Now, how do you measure inequality? So, one of the common ways to measure inequality is through income, right? So, and a very common and convenient way to measure income inequality is a ratio called the Gini coefficient. Now, with a scale of 0 to 1, a Gini coefficient of 0 means everyone in the society has the same wealth. So when they say the Gini coefficient of Malaysia is 0, meaning everyone in Malaysia has the same wealth. Yeah. Now, a Gini coefficient of 1 means one person has everything and no one else has anything, right? So meaning all the wealth is terkumpul pada seseorang saja dan sementara yang lain itu tidak ada memiliki apa-apa. So that is when we say the Gini coefficient is 1. Now, if coefficient of 0 means everyone in the society has the same wealth, ya, mempunyai jumlah harta yang sama. So this is basically the income gap, meaning the income gap is getting smaller and smaller in Malaysia. The income gap, especially between the rich and the poor, has become smaller. It's getting necessarily what they call the income. Yes, what they call the income gap has gotten smaller, but one of the ways to deal with this is to come up with measure of what we call the wealth redistribution, redistribute wealth between or within countries. So so this basically shows that our perhaps our government effort to redistribute wealth is not as efficient as other countries. Right? Now, how can income inequality in Malaysia be reduced? Now, one of the biggest influences of income inequality is the Malaysian government itself. The government need to come up with drastic measure to make sure that income inequality is reduced. Now, the government can adjust its policies to make the economic situation of the people in the lower income brackets more favorable. Remember, this is about Keynes' notion of government-centered approach to development, that the government can intervene in terms of policies. Now, there are several methods the government can employ to stimulate income inequality across the country. Steps that they can take to reduce income gaps in the country. Right?